This house barely has any windows, and even so, you can see everything. In the Arizona desert, the Casita Obscura doesn't try to open in every direction. It does the opposite. It controls what you see. The openings are few, and each one has a purpose. On the outside, the house is dark. It almost blends into the desert. Inside, the contrast: light surfaces, controlled light, a quieter atmosphere. In the main area, the house opens more, but still in a precise way. It frames the horizon without showing everything at once. In the bedroom, the view is closer: vegetation, mountains, a more direct relationship with the surroundings. Nothing is random. Each opening works like a frame. The house doesn't show the entire desert. It selects. In the bathroom, there's no landscape, just the sky. A simple cutout, but one that completely changes the space. This is not the main house. It works as a guest house, a separate volume, more compact, designed for a more controlled experience. But on the same site, there is another volume, the main house, the Lighthouse 2. Taller, it does the opposite. It rises to see farther. It works as an observation point. Both are part of the same ensemble and respond to the same place in different ways. While the casita controls the view, the lighthouse expands it. In the casita, the focus is inward: silence, control, perception. In the lighthouse, the focus is outward: openness, distance, panorama. Two different ways of experiencing the same place, two strategies, one that reduces, the other expands. Another important point is how Casita Obscura sits on the site. It stays lower on the terrain, more discreet, without interfering with the views of the main house. In other words, even as a new volume, it doesn't get in the way of what was already there. There is also another part connected to the main house, an addition built over time to meet new needs. It includes an extra bedroom, shared living areas, and even a more leisure-focused space, like a media room. Here, the relationship with the landscape is more direct. Every space connects to the outside. The Casita Obscura is small but well-resolved. Each space has a clear function: sleeping, living, bathing. No excess, no waste. It doesn't try to show everything. It chooses, and shows that sometimes seeing less works better.